In this video, I'll be showing you how I built this strong and stylish work table from scratch. I started by cutting the 2mm, 1-inch square pipes to size based on the measurements, length 30 inches into 4 pieces. After that, I welded the frame together, making sure every joint was aligned and square. I also added cross supports under the table for extra strength and balance. This part is very important. A solid frame makes your table stable and long-lasting. Once the welding was done, I used a grinder to smooth the edges and clean up the surface. I cleaned the frame and painted the frame black to give it a clean, modern look. A good finish doesn't just make it look nice, it also adds extra protection. Then, I drilled holes for holding of the top board. I measured and cut the HDF board with measurement 24 inches by 36 inches to fit perfectly on the frame. I used egg tape and gum to smoothen the edges and clean up the surface. If you made it all the way through to the very end, we want to sincerely thank you. It genuinely means a great deal to everyone here. You're among our most dedicated viewers, and we truly value your support. We promise to keep putting in the effort to make our next video even better for you. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and think about subscribing. It helps us out more than you might realize. Thanks once again. I used screws to fasten the board securely on the frame. The HDF board gives a smooth finish and is durable enough to handle any type of work, and here it is, the final result. A strong, beautiful, and practical work table, completely handmade from simple materials. This table will last for years, and it's perfect for any workshop or creative space. Remember, creativity isn't about what you have, it's about what you can make out of it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more of my DIY builds.